me see your face. Oh, yes, that's a good kitty. That's a good kitty. Who's a good kitty?
Well, guys, this is my cat, Charlie. He's the softest cat in our actual house, actually. Wait, just grab him. Oh. Big kitty. It's a big kitty. He's so big and tiny. He's so tiny and soft. He's actually about to be a grown-up cat by next December, so lucky for me, I'm gonna have a big kitty. Big kitty. So this was a video to see what you guys think of your opinion on my cat. He seems to be the most adorable cat there's ever been. Sure. What do you want everyone to think about your cat? About me. About yourself. Aw, I love you. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. And I hope you have a great day.